Rose. Let's just say it's Rose. And she said, I have a question. I've been having bumps between my legs and armpits. Squeeze it, pus comes out. There's a way. Is there a way I can get it removed where it won't come out anymore, or how does this come to my skin? And so I replied to Rose, and I said, I think I may know what your problem might be. But I replied back to Rose, and I said, I'm almost certain that you have hidradenitis suppurativa, which, as you all know, is an autoimmune disorder that affects the skin. I think you should see a dermatologist and ask them if you have HS. She's been to her doctor, she's been to other doctors, and nobody has diagnosed her with HS, but I'm fairly certain that's what this is just by looking at the pictures and hearing her story. And then I also asked her if she minded if we shared her story online, as long as we didn't reveal her identity. And she said that's fine, that we share her story, and that she had just set an appointment with her dermatologist, or with a dermatologist. So an interesting story, and I'm always glad to help out whenever possible. And so, Rose, we hope that everything goes well for you, that you do get the care that you deserve. And if you've seen dermatologists in the past and you haven't been diagnosed properly, don't be frustrated. This is a difficult diagnosis for some physicians to make, because they just don't see many cases of it. It's more common, I think, than medical science wants to admit, but it is often misdiagnosed. So we wish you the best and hope to hear from you again later. Thanks everybody for watching.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I have personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.